Python is a popular high-level programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python emphasizes code readability with its clean syntax and indentation-based block structure. It supports multiple programming paradigms, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Python has a vast standard library and a thriving ecosystem of third-party packages, making it versatile for various applications such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Python's interpreted nature allows for quick prototyping and interactive development. Its popularity stems from its ease of use, wide community support, and extensive documentation. For more details, contact Excelling Technologies. Contact 7505993758.